Hello everyone, I am Vinod Shankar from Stiebel Eltron, India. Stiebel Eltron is the company from Germany, which is a super brand, top 100 company from the Germany who are known for the innovative products. And I am going to talk about 3 innovative products given by the Stiebel Eltron India. आज के डेट में हमारे लिए बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है to take care of our health and hygiene. And the product I am going to talk about related to this. First one is about the health, which is immunity. Most of us know that our body requires mineral to develop the immunity. And 80% of the mineral body requires, they are getting it from the drinking water. The water that we drink. Important thing is that कि क्या हम जो water पी रहे हैं उसमें mineral हैं, which is going to give the mineral to the body. Here I am talking about the product is the ultrafiltration system by Stiebel Eltron, which is the Stream 5S product. While processing this, it intact all the minerals available in the water and clean all the impurities, germs and bacteria as well, and give you the drinking water. And the water which we are drinking from this particular system is with the mineral and bacteria and germs free. Not only that, the other important part, 2 factors which are very important is that it doesn't waste any water. And the last, it doesn't require any electricity or any battery to operate this. So if we start using this, we are drinking the water which is full of mineral and everything.
Hi, I am Satya Prakash. I am from Stiebel Eltron. The second product is DMT6. It's a very small tankless water heater. As name suggests that there is no tank inside. And it is very compact so that we can place under the sink area and under the basin. So whatever the water we are taking from the tap, it is instantaneously heated. And the water we are getting, it is unlimited as per our requirement. So nowadays we are washing our hand very frequently. We are cleaning the vegetables and fruits before use. So if you use this product, it will certainly help for better cleaning.
Hello viewers, I am Aman from Chandigarh. Third product ਇਹਦੇ ਚ ਆਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਜੋ Stiebel Eltron ਅਸੀਂ ਡੀਲ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, that is hand dryer HT4. Today need of an hour is ਸਾਨੂੰ ਹੱਥ ਧੋਣੇ ਹੈ after every hour or after every time we are coming home from outside. So in that case we cannot rely only on washing hands and soaking with a towel. So it is a hand dryer which is a world's silent hand dryer and compact design. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ bathroom ਜਾਂ kitchen area 'ਚ ਲਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ. After washing hands you can dry your hands. ਬਹੁਤ ਛੇਤੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਹੱਥ ਨੂੰ dry ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ because ਇਹਦਾ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ ਤਰੀਕਾ ਹੀ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹਾ ਹੈ because and very compact design. And all these products are easy to install, and ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਵੀ ਵੱਡੀ ਗੱਲ ਕੀ ਹੈ कि these all products are being installed by our trained technicians, those who are just a call away from you. You can call us on this number 1800-266-7155. Our technician will come with this product, install at your site and then leave. But इस सारे process he will make sure कि किते भी ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਘਰੇ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਬਿਮਾਰੀ ਨਾ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਵੇ. He will make sure he is properly sanitized. He will be wearing gloves. He will be using mask because this is need of an hour. Thank you.